To do an evaluation, we need to understand the context of the evaluation in the first place. But what is the need for context in evaluation? Before we do that, we shall define what context even means in the first place. It is defined as the setting within which the evaluand and thus the evaluation are situated. Context is the site, location, environment, or milieu for a given evaluand. They identify 5 specific dimensions to context in evaluation: demographic characteristics of the setting, material and economic features, institutional and organizational climate, interpersonal dimensions or typical means of interaction and norms, and finally, political dynamics of the setting, issues, and interests. In evaluation of a program, context is important as it brings the different values which were important to guide the evaluation process and bring out the different value perspectives of the stakeholders and any additional factors for the study. Context can help us understand the goals and unique characteristics of the program participants, any environmental, social, and cultural factors that may influence the outcomes, and any existing resources as well as constraints that may impact the implementation and effectiveness of the program. Culture is very important to the evaluation process. How, you may ask? Culture is a set of socially transmitted and learned behavior patterns and all other products of human work and thought that characterize the functioning of a particular population, profession, organization, or community. The process of information exchange, interpretation, and application of knowledge are influenced by the cultures of the participants, including the evaluators. Kirkhardt urged evaluators to turn their attention to culture, stating that multicultural influences shape and are shaped by their work. According to her, there are several ways that culture can affect evaluation, such as understanding the different goals and values of different cultures and how these can impact the way stakeholders perceive and understand the differences. This ensures that they are considered when developing the plans and framework. Cultures have different criteria for success, and these can affect how the stakeholders perceive the success of an evaluation. For instance, some cultures may place more value in individual achievements, while others may prioritize collective outcomes. The language used in evaluation can impact how the stakeholders understand and interpret the evaluation results. Cultural factors also affect the trust and credibility of the evaluators and outcomes. Evaluators need to be aware of the cultural differences and ensure that they build trust and credibility with all stakeholders in an appropriate manner. These are the reasons why cross-cultural evaluation models and practices have become important for the long run in the evaluation process. What do we mean by the term intersectionality? Simply put, intersectionality is understanding how aspects of an individual's or community's social and political identities combine to create different modes of discrimination and privilege. Let us look at the example given by Crenshaw. For instance, a black woman would face multiple types of discrimination based on different intersections or overlaps in terms of her identity. In case she is gay, she would face discrimination at all intersections that her identity encompasses. This can be understood with the help of the figure on the right. Hence, it is extremely important that evaluations are intersectional, especially when the existing power structure may put communities at a disadvantage. It encompasses several elements for analysis: financial, economic, social, and environmental. Evaluating sustainability provides valuable insight into the continuation of an intervention's net benefits in the medium to longer term. It ensures long-term impact as it focuses on the ability of the program to continue producing positive outcomes and impacts over time. It enhances accountability as it ensures that interventions and programs are designed and implemented with a long-term impact in mind, and if they have the necessary resources for the desired outcomes. It promotes adaptive management, which includes understanding the political, social, economic, and environmental factors that may impact the program in the longer term.